Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm going to talk through how Sales Cookie allows you to store and access commission data. I'm leveraging a Deconstructing Sales Commission software blog, and if you might remember in the first video, I talked through the flexible yet structured framework used by Sales Cookie to automate commissions. In our second video, we talked through time-dependent custom variables, and today we're focused on how does Sales Cookie allow you to store and access your commission data. So Sales Cookie has a pretty structured data schema to be able to store and access every aspect of a commission calculation. So obviously we have a users table, a teams table, a transaction table, plan, calculation credits, calculation commissions, calculation payouts. So just to show you, within seconds, I set up the connection between Sales Cookie and Microsoft Power BI. You could use Tableau, you could use Excel, and here you can see Power BI has picked up my data schema. It recognizes all the relationship between the various tables. So pretty simple and easy to access. And then Sales Cookie has this concept of a data pool. Essentially, if you have different data sources, for example, you have opportunities coming in from Salesforce, invoices from QuickBooks, say some SDR, BDR data coming in with a CSV file, all of these records can be either manipulated individually or processed together while retaining their original fields. So another way to look at it, within Sales Cookie, you can go to Settings, Connections, and if I just click on OData API, you can see all the ways you can access different key components of your commission process, whatever be it, and all of that's accessible both within Sales Cookie and then for you to be able to export all of it out very easily. And once you have the right schema, you can obviously run a ton of reports within Sales Cookie, but we know reporting is very, company specific. So we've connected natively with Microsoft Power BI, Tableau, Excel, and then you can do a lot more slicing, dicing of data yourself. The system is automatically keeping track of all the commission calculations I've run. You can look at data in a variety of ways. And then publish, share with others who might not be on Sales Cookie. So in today's video, we focused on how you can store and access commission data within Sales Cookie. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.